This is Mimo. He is a coffee farmer in Guanacaste province, Costa Rica, and he has a message for us. His message is that some of the birds we love most find the most intriguing and appealing are the long-distance forest migrants that spend the majority of the year in the trees over his coffee plants. That is their home when they are not in our North American woods singing and breeding, and if they did not have Mimo's forest, we would not see them in ours. Mimo farms a few hectares of mountain land in the Guanacaste highlands. He knows every tree on his land, and occasionally he takes one to the sawmill. In his woods, Mimo carries a jug for his dog so it doesn't have to search for water because El Tigre is watching. He knows from experience. Mimo's favorite plant is not high above with the warblers and the vireos, but at eye level, the coffee bush. He has planted dozens in his woodlot, and they thrive in the deep shade. A transplant from Africa, the coffee plant is an economic pillar for the small farmers of Central and South America. Growing in the forest shadows, Mimo's coffee bushes offer a bean spare in numbers but rich in flavor. He hand picks and dries them in his yard, sells to a local co-op. Is Mimo's forest-grown coffee organic? Los venenos son muy caros, Mimo says. The poisons are too expensive for the small grower, and besides, there is no need for them. But they are not too expensive for the big coffee plantations that have denuded the slopes below Mimo, torn down the forest, and replaced it with a coffee monoculture in full sun, producing tons of beans for the international market. I asked Mimo what happened to the birds that lived in that forest. No hay aves en la plantación, Mimo says. Se fueron. That is Mimo's way of asking us to buy forest-grown coffee. Drink a bird-friendly cup, watch the sun come up, savor the birdsong around us. It's something we can do for the birds we love.